At the end of this video, I will look like Selena Gomez, or at least I will hope so. Welcome to a new video. Today I will style myself like Selena Gomez. I like her music and I think I look a bit like her. Just a little bit, but yes, that's why I choose her. And I would say let's go! These are my inspiration pictures. Picture is for the hairs, this for the outfit, and this for the makeup. And I start with the outfit. Okay, I need a denim jacket, a jeans and a black long shirt, or yes, something like that. But it has to be long and longer than the denim jacket. Okay, I have a denim jacket, but I can't find jeans that are the same color as this jacket. Okay, I can't find any other jeans, so I take this one. I also found this and now I put everything on. This is my Selena Gomez outfit and now I have to do my Selena Gomez hairs and makeup. I think Selena has a side parting and I have a middle parting, so I have to make a side parting. Doesn't matter, let's go. Okay, I think here. So, oh, I don't can. Oh, I look very pretty. Wow. Maybe here. No. Huh? Oh, here. Oh, yes. This looks a little bit better. Yes, like this. Wow. Now I have to do my makeup, but I don't want a full face makeup. I just make Selena red lips and a little bit smoky eye, maybe, like on this picture. Okay, I have this liquid lipstick, beautiful red, and so I put this on. I have very red lips. I don't like red lips on me. Okay, these are my inspiration pictures and this is the look. And I think I look a bit like Selena, but write in the comments if you think I look like Selena or if you think I don't look like Selena. Yes, now I'm gonna take some pictures at the end of my video, and if you want to see more videos like this and more videos in English, write in the comments and leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!
Free like the sky, we rise so high. Love will lift us, never fall.